Welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada in this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. Good morning, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from one half of Sister Sister. Friends, okay, that car really need to slow down. Okay, sorry. So I'm making my way to Tamara. For the past 2 nights, I've actually been staying at a hotel about 11 minutes of the way, because while I was cleaning and packing up, a brown recluse spider came out, and it took forever for me to kill it. That thing did not want to die. So at that point, I was pretty much freaked out because it was huge, and I decided for my last 2 nights here, I was gonna go ahead and just book me a hotel room so I can sleep good and then come back to Tamara and clean it out and get her ready for storage. And yes, my friends, Tamara is gonna go into storage for almost like a year. I said it in a video a long time ago, basically about how me and my ex-husband, we separated and divorced. And then August kicks off my 75 days straight of traveling, and I'll be going over to Singapore and Tokyo, Yokohama. I'm gonna be traveling, my friends. And to think that the straw that broke the camel's back was me not getting a COVID shot, because it limited our travels. And look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting passport stamps. So like I said, I was gonna take a lot of trips, and so far I have booked over 150 something days of travel and cruising combined with Airbnbs and cruising for this year and next year. So it just makes sense to go ahead and put my home in storage, and I'm gonna go up to Virginia with my sister Courtney and be on auntie duty while her husband is away to help out. So today is my final day in Tamara. I'm gonna move her to her storage area, and I have a few more things that I have to get ready. Today is still very early. It's 8:22 right now. So I've already cleaned out my bathroom, cleaned out the kitchen, defrosted the fridge, cleaned out the fridge, moved my clothes into here. So almost everything is in the bag right now. I have the seats laid down, and just everything is in here. But I just have a few more things that I have to load inside here, and then clean out my black tank really good, and then add a little bleach and maybe a little bit of water to my gray tank to keep it nice and fresh while I'm away. But yeah, today is gonna be still a full day of getting the house ready, and I really need to be out by 1 o'clock because it's gonna start raining. So yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to Tamara for a while, and yeah, we're gonna be traveling, friends. So I'm super excited. So let me get back to the road, and we make our way to Tamara for one last time. Well, for a while.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel like I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. Found my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. Found my way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Almost finished. Well, friends, this is a look of just, it sucks. So basically for the last hour, I've been ripping everything apart and I can't find the other half of my keys, y'all. So literally I can't move Tamara. The hitch lock that is on there, I can't find the keys for them. I've called my dad, my sister, had them look around for where, you know, I normally keep my things. I've checked inside of the Jeep, everywhere. I've checked my purses, literally I've checked everything, and I reckon those keys must have fallen off. But y'all, I haven't had to use my keys in over, 6 months. So I have no idea where those keys went. Now, here's the other half. Unfortunately, the place, the company that the lock belongs to, they're closed for the summertime. So I still have 12 more days until they open back up. I've sent an email out to their company. I don't know if they're going to respond. Ooh, let me call you. Hold on one second. I got a call coming in. So I called a few locksmiths and I thought it was in the area, and they just called me back and said they don't service this area. So that's unfortunate. But I do have 2 medical appointments that I have to go to tomorrow, so I do have to leave, and I'm just kind of wasting time at this point. I don't think I'm gonna find them, and unfortunately, sorry for the back and forth, I'm trying to figure out life. I don't even have like the piece of paper. I looked everywhere for that piece of paper as well that had like my key information written on it, because you can go ahead and order a key offline. They even had the replacement keys on Amazon, but I need that information and I can't even find that. So I just really have to talk to someone from the company to see what they can do for me, or get a locksmith out here that will be able to possibly do something for it. So this is unfortunate, but this is how this one is going to end. This is not how I wanted it to end. So yeah, we'll figure out what happens from here. Adios. Good morning, my beautiful friends. It is a new day inside of Tia. Tamara's behind me, and I am unboxing my new lock. So like 4 days have passed, and I found at first a tow truck and a tow company that was gonna be able to move Tamara into this new spot. Literally, here's Tamara in the spots, like right here, less than like 50 feet away. At first he said yes, and then like a day prior he called me and he was like, I'm just not comfortable moving it because it looks so new, and I would have to use chains in order to move it, and I don't want to risk, ruining, your home or whatever. So he told me no. And I went to the website, and they basically said that I would need to hire a locksmith to break the lock completely. So I was able to find a locksmith, and they are, oops, okie dokie. So the locksmith has arrived, and fingers crossed that he's able to break the lock. I'm not sure where we cut off at, but basically I had to purchase a new lock, get in contact with the locksmith. Ooh, I think there's a mosquito in here. And I was able to find one, and so that's what we're working with next. And I just pray that he's able to get this lock off, and I'll be able to move Tamara into a spot. So I have the new keys, and I'm gonna register them on the website. Crazy enough, I found this card inside of Tamara, but I didn't register it. So this is a $500+ error on my part. $255 for the locksmith, and the lock was almost $300. I had to buy a new one. So I will be registering the keys like I thought I did the first time, and then I will be leaving a spare key with one of my sisters. So lessons have been learned, my friends. He's had to switch out the tools so many different times. I really hope he can get it off. I mean, obviously it's a really good lock, because it's just taking a minute for it to come off. Y'all, my nerves are so jacked up. My stomach is messed up like back in high school right before a track meet. You know how you get like TMI, the bubble guts? But I'm just like, I really hope this lock can come off. He's used different like drill bits and stuff like that, super big ones, and now it sounds like he's kind of like hammering at it. I don't know, I just don't know, but I hope he can get it off. But I'll let y'all know. Guys, he did it. I'm so happy. And what was your name again? Jamie.
Yep,
Jamie came.
1844 Car Keys, Southwest Florida. We service Fort Myers area and the Alachua and Gainesville and Ocala area, also in Florida.
Wonderful. And here is the $300 lock he was able to get off, my friends. And here's his social media down here at the bottom. Sweet. It was a win, friends. Yay! Whee! All right, all right, my friends, let's go ahead and get Tia and Tamara connected, and then we're gonna move it into her new spot, which is right here. All right.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and spice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Oh, shy to find on my reaction. I like it when you look like that. Don't wanna watch a bugger with a white mouth. Just like it when you're looking like that. No sweets, no rush.
All right, my friends, I am all nice and sweaty and nasty, but Tamara's in there, and we are done here. Now let's go ahead and take this 2-hour drive back to Jacksonville so I can jump in the shower and just like not think about this anymore. Good morning, friends. Tamara, or Tia, sorry, she is all packed up like hardcore. I am leaving my mother's house, and I have a 9-hour drive, 609 miles, to my sister's house in Virginia to finally meet up with Jada baby. And I have less than 2 weeks till my 78-day adventure starts, my friends. So I personally don't like driving over 4.5 hours, so this is gonna suck. I'm gonna try and do it in all today. Hopefully I don't have to stop at like a hotel or anything, because I just have my whole life in here and I feel like I'm a target for robbery. So I'm gonna try my best. If I get tired, I'm just gonna pull over, take a nap at a rest stop. but try and keep it going. My alarm, I slept through it this morning, so it is 9 o'clock a.m. So we'll see what time I get to my sister's. 609 miles to go, friends. Ugh. Moving right along, friends. Made it to South Carolina. Back on the road. I still got like 400 miles to go. This place is always so crowded, but I had to stop. Friends, I'm out here doing stretches. Because my legs been like cramping up and stuff, so shake it off a bit before I get back on the road. I have under 400 miles to go. No, actually I'm at like 280 something miles left to go, so I'm doing pretty good. Still 4.5 hours I think left, but I'm gonna try my hardest to make it there tonight. I feel like I'm doing good. I just gotta continue to give myself little breaks, and I should be there before it gets dark. Gotta love those Confederate flags. 100 miles to go. I'm so tired, y'all. My body is cramping up. I'm getting sore. I'm just ready to get to a bed and go to sleep now at this point. But I got 100 miles to go, like an hour and some change. So the last little bit, almost there. Almost there. We made it to Virginia.
Welcome to Virginia.
Hey, baby! Hey, my baby! Hey, my baby! Hey, Jada, baby! Hey, girl, look at all this stuff! Oh, my goodness!